Hey guys, thanks for tuning into my channel. I'm fishing the Yakima River today, and I thought this would be a great opportunity to tell you about a specific retrieve that works very well when you're swinging streamers, and that is called a wiggle retrieve. I don't know if I've coined that or not, or if somebody else has called that, but you know, sometimes there's kind of like the jig retrieve, sometimes there's just kind of the fast strip or a slow strip or a slow pull, but what I have always called this is the wiggle retrieve. So a lot of times fish, when you're swinging a fly, they may not look at it, right, from just a strip standpoint or a swinging standpoint, but as soon as you put a little action on the tip and wiggle that tip just a little bit, all of a sudden the fish is just like, oh, they like how it looks in the water and they go after it. There was a day just a couple weeks ago I was fishing the Yakima. It was pretty slow, and I decided, you know, I'm just gonna try this little wiggle retrieve to see if I can entice a bite, and sure enough, first cast, the first time I did that, bam, it was fish on. It was a really slow day too. There we go, fish on. Oh yes, nice. Oh, it's a good one too, Mark. Oh my gosh, nice. Try that the next time you're swinging streamers, and when it's right at the end of the swing and it's time to bring it in, fish it in, do the little wiggle retrieve, and you'll find that it'll work for you too. All right, well, I hope that helps you catch more fish. And hey, if you're just starting out with fly fishing, check out this video right here. I put together an entire list of everything you need to get started in fly fishing. My hope is that it'll help you gear up when you're ready to start fly fishing. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.